This is a tutorial on how to use the business knowledge template function in CATIA. To begin with, we'll access the workbench. We're going to create a very simple business knowledge template. When learning a lot of programming languages and so forth, there's the classic Hello World example, and we'll use that to start. So the first thing we need to do is we need to create a type or a class in CATIA. So to do that, we use this create technological type, and we can enter in something like Demo1. A type can have attributes and behaviors associated to it. So we want to create an attribute. Select Demo1, and our attribute type will be string, and we'll call this message. And our message will say, hello world. So if we double click on Demo1, we can see that we've assigned an attribute called message. Its type is a string and its value is hello world. So our objective here is to get hello world to show in a pop-up message box. The next thing we need to do is we need to associate a behavior to our class. So to do that, we can select the sequential combination behavior and select Demo1. In order to edit it, we have to double click on it, and you can see the editor window on the right hand side changed. If I double click on Demo1, you'll see that the attributes expand and also the sequential combination expands. If you're unable to see this expand this way, then you need to go to Tools, Options. We need to go to Knowledge, Business Process Knowledge Template, and make sure that all variables is selected. And then you can just double click on this again and it should all expand. So maybe we want to change the description here. This will show actually in our interface, our user interface, sequential combination. We'll just call this step 1. Since we're talking about process modeling, I like to give these names like step 1, step 2, step 3, and so forth. Next thing we can do is we can add this information behavior. In the information behavior, we need a message, and in this case we want our message to be coming from this message. So what we can do is we can synchronize the parameter from here and overload this parameter box here. So to do that, we have a behavior called synchronize parameter. And we'd really like the synchronized parameter to come before the message, so we can right click on it and reorder. So now the process will run this way. We'll execute step 1. Step 1 will synchronize the parameter, and then it will display the message. So if I double click on synchronize parameter here, I can say from this parameter message, which currently has the value of hello world, and we're going to synchronize it to the information box message, which had no value. So now when the process runs, it'll synchronize the parameter from message to message. So now we need to save this thing. When we save it, we want to save it under the graphic path of our installation. So wherever you have CATIA installed, if you go through the paths, you'll find a folder called graphic, and we can save Demo1 CAT-FCT there. Then all the FCT files will get executed starting from the start menu. So we're going to extend that menu. We're going to extend it by clicking on Generate Applicative Workbench. So here I'll call this Demo1. And a workbench can be a product workbench, a part workbench, or a systems workbench. We'll just focus on part for now. The workbench has been generated. We can see that by going to the start button, and we see something new here called business process application. We see Demo1. It's also, as soon as we generated the workbench, it also opened up a cat part and took us directly to the workbench. So we can just click on the finger pointer, click on Demo1, and now we have this object, this new class, Demo1, associated to our cat part. If we expand this, we can see the attributes that are associated to it, and the attribute message has a value of hello world, just as we defined. I can right click on top of Demo1 and go to object, and I can execute step 1. Executing step 1 displays hello world. Now if I'd like to change this message, we can change the message to be something like this: my first BKT application. And now when we execute step 1, we have a new message: my first BKT applications.